step by step, we're going to be doing a holiday design. This is a Christmas design utilizing a red polish as our base. So I've already applied my first coat. I'm coming in with my second coat of red, and while this one is still wet, I'm going to be applying just a little bit of glitter around the edges. So I'm going to come in and just apply a little bit of green glitter. This will spruce up the design a little bit, make it feel very Christmassy. Then I'm going to be using my tweezers, and I have these pre-cut metallic shapes that came from Japan that are very pretty. This is in a gold, and this one has Merry Christmas. So I've pre-cut these, or pre-shaped these in our charm bender. Place them onto the nail and polish secure them. One of the nice things about utilizing these charms is that if you are using gel, you could put these onto the gel and then place them into the lamp. Or if you're using polish, you can just secure them directly with your polish. Once I have the charms on the nail, I just simply press them into my polish, making sure that they have full contact, and you can position them just a little bit. And then on this particular design, all I'm going to do is put a top coat to secure them. If you're using gel polish, you would simply, after curing in the lamp the red color, you would come in with your clear top coat, apply your top coat. This is going to seal everything in, and then finish curing in the lamp. If you want to, you can put a little bit more glitter, but I don't want to put a lot there because it's going to detract from the Merry Christmas. But this will make a beautiful accent nail, something that's very quick and easy to put on. Or you can put this in a whole collage of different designs within the nails. In order to complete this design, we have put together a kit that has everything you need. Starting off with your bright red Christmassy color. This is a beautiful red. We have our emerald green glitter and your metallic charms. I also used the charm bender to bend the charms, the charm press, and a pair of tweezers to place the charm onto the nail. Everything that you need for this design comes together in a kit. That way you don't have to think about what you're going to put together. It's already done for you. Simply polish the nails, apply your charms, and your client's ready to go.